Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to develop the pyramid 3D solid objects in AutoCAD. 3D modeling, you can observe the pyramid. This is the 3D modeling of the home. You can observe the pyramid object. Is the command is pyramid. I will explain with this example, and let's get started. First, go on to the visualize, and you can select any of the visualize styles as your wish. I'm selecting the southwest isometric, and the visual styles is conceptual. And you can observe after changing these options, this XYZ direction change like this. You can observe the three type of colors you can observe on the left side, and go on to the pyramid command. And pyramid, want to go on to the pyramid also, you can also use the tool also. I'm giving the pyramid and click on enter. You can observe the command on the command prompt and click on enter. After that, the pyramid, PYRAMID pyramid, and click on the enter key, and it asks the pyramid specify center point at the base of the edges or the sides. It is asking. I'm selecting the center point first, and it asks the base radius or circumference or diameter. It is asking the radius. I'm giving the radius of this pyramid is for example 150, and click on enter. Then the radius is completed. Then height is required. The pyramid specify the height. I am giving the specify the height is 150. You can observe the one of the pyramid is completed. You can also develop the top radius and the bottom radius of the pyramid also. I will explain this. Watch my full tutorial and go on to the slides. You can observe on the double click. You can observe the double click options, the layer, base radius, top radius, and sides height are 6 options are available. You can change any of the dimensions by double click on the any of the object in the 3D modeling of the any of the 3D model, and you can observe the pyramid again. This is some of the features are there in the pyramid. I will explain with in detail. And go on to the pyramid and specify the center point. Here I am selecting the center point, and it asks the same as base radius. I'm giving the base radius, for example, same as 150. You can see I'm going to the edges and specify the first end point of the edge, and you can observe and specify the second end point of the edge. By using the edges also, you can create the different type of objects of the pyramid objects. And go on to specify height like this. You can 6 sides are there, and base radius is 130. I want to change this base radius to 150. The height is 150 because as compared to the previous, it is developing by the endpoints. It is developing on the base radius. You want to change the radius, simply double click on that. Again, pyramid. Here I am selecting the sides, and as pyramid, enter number of sides are required. Pyramid sensor base radius are circumference. You can observe the base radius. I am selecting the circumference in squares. These are helpful to create the objects in outside and inside of the object, and specify the base radius here same as 150, and click on enter. You can observe these are the 4 sides are I'm giving, and to specify the height, you can observe the same as height is 150 and the base radius is 106. You want to change the bilayer options, you can change the color also by using the different types of colors are available in the properties toolbar. And you can observe the color, and you can change the color as your wish. And this is the 3 types of sides, edges, and the similar model to the 3 objects. I will explain with the 2 points some of the features are available in the pyramid. I will explain that also on the top radius and the bottom radius, how to create the object. And go on to the pyramid, specify base radius or circumference and 150, and specify the height. I am selecting the height is 2 point. You click on anywhere you want to click on the anywhere on the space on the first point and second point. The height is located. You can observe as where you want to click the second point, then the height is mentioned. You want to change the height, simply double click and change the height by here also on the properties toolbar. And you can observe the properties palette. You can observe that, and you can change the colors. And again the some of the features are there, and go on to the specify the center point and click on the radius and give the radius and click on enter. You can observe the pyramid specify point, you can observe the axis and point. You want to anywhere on 360 degrees on the total, anywhere, any angle you can develop this pyramid by using this axis, and you can change anywhere you want to rotate the object and place the object in anywhere on inside the objects and outside the objects, or any of the 3D modeling also it is available, and you can double click on that. You can change any of the options. You can change the options by using this. Again, I'm selecting the pyramid, and the PYR is the shortcut, and again I'm selecting the center point of the base and click on the radius and give the radius of 150, and the specify height, it is top radius. This is the mostly using of the 3D modeling of the pyramid, because the sphere nodules and the sphere type of cones you can develop by using the top radius and the bottom radius. Top radius is very helpful. And specify the height. I'm specifying the height, for example 150, same as I want to change this. You can change the radius also. Here you can observe the sides is 4 I mentioned, and specify the height is I'm giving the 200, and the top radius is you want to change the top radius, you can also change. I'm giving the specify the height is 500, 200 to 500 for the explanation purpose. You can also develop any of the models by shell type objects also. You can develop by using the pyramids. I will explain that tutorials also in next video. And go into the side 6 and the specify height 500, and the sides are 10. You want to change the sides 10. You can also change the sides to multiple number of sides. You can give in this pyramid tool, and go on to the 4 sides. I'm giving the 4 and click on enter, and the top radius is 176 is there. I'm giving the change to color green, and you can observe one of the top radius and bottom radius of the one of the pyramid of the sphere type object is created. This is the basic tutorial for the beginners I'm explaining. These are the 6 features are available in the pyramid tool of the some of the previous tutorials also explain about the in detail of the how to create the cone and how to create the box objects and different methods. This is the one of the best tutorial for the beginners. I'm explaining in the 3D modeling. I'm using the AutoCAD 2016 software for to explain all of the models. This is the latest software to develop the 3D models.